Joy and I have just spent the last 8 days at the Kimpton Grand Roatan Resort and Spa, and it was gorgeous.
Amazing. We are so relaxed now.
Exactly. The Kimpton is located on the absolute perfect part of the island. Right off the beach, there is a reef area that you can snorkel. You don't have to take a boat. You can take a boat, but you don't have to. You just walk out, wade out to your knees, and then immediately snorkel right over the coral, seeing incredible scenes of fish and coral and different sea life. We saw an eel. Amazing. So the hotel has regular hotel rooms, which are apparently beautiful. We talked to several people in those, and they have them facing the ocean or what they call the canopy view, facing the jungle. And I think either one would be absolutely fine. They also have what they call condo suites and spa suites, which are in the spa unit. So different areas in the same resort. They're all part of the same resort. But we stayed in one of the bungalows, which is basically a little cabin unto itself.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like having our own private cottage. We could just grab our snorkeling gear and run down to the water, stop and get some towels at the pool, and we didn't have to bring anything else with us.
Right.
It was great.
Very
like having
private.
our own private little vacation.
Yeah, exactly.
In a resort.
In a resort. Right. The bungalow itself was amazing. It had an incredibly comfortable king-size bed, lots of room for luggage to stow away without feeling cramped. It had a separate living area with a comfortable couch and a coffee maker and things like that just on a slightly lower level, which was cool. And the bathroom was fantastic. It had a shower indoors, but we enjoyed the shower outdoors. There was an outdoor shower.
And it had also a deck with a little patio that had a couch on it and a table and chairs, and you could sit out there at night and enjoy the evening, hearing all the sounds, seeing all the little lizards. It was amazing.
Yeah, very cool. The hotel has a beautiful lobby, but more spectacular than the lobby are the staff. Everyone is so friendly and helpful and kind. It's just great. So there are 4 restaurants in the hotel, 2 indoors and 2 down by the beach, the Drop-Off and the Sea Cat. But I would have to say that we found that the meals were rather expensive in the hotel or in the resort area. Fine for the occasional meal or a drink, but we found that going outside, just down the beach a little ways, we could find wonderful places to eat very, very easily. And again, everyone was friendly. Our favorite was the Bananarama, where we ended up being a little too happy with Monkey Lalas. But also you can buy drinks and food from the vendors on the beach. They're not a rip-off. You can get an incredible rum pineapple drink out of a guy on a boat for $10. Amazing. Be sure to look out for the banana bread man. His banana bread is legendary. We only caught him on the very last day on the beach. There's lots of activities at the hotel. There are social hours every night that offer complimentary snacks and drinks, which is nice. There's yoga a few mornings a week. We enjoyed that. It was wonderful. There's an activity center down near the beach where you can take for free, included in your resort fee, snorkeling equipment if you don't have your own. They have paddle boards, they have glass-bottomed kayak-type boats that you can take out in the water, and life jackets, things like that, at the activity center. And also you can book excursions to different activities around the island. If you're not into the beach scene, there's a beautiful big pool in the resort, a hot tub, free towels, lots of loungers, and there's sunscreen and drinks available as well. We were even able to take scuba lessons right in the pool, thanks to Abner of West Bay Divers. When staying at the Kimpton Grand Roatan, be sure to check out the Kao Kamasa Spa. This spa is rated number 13 in the entire world. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Hi, welcome to Kao Kamasa Spa. I hope you enjoy your stay here with us and enjoy your time here at the hotel. Thank you.
But honestly, we came here for the snorkeling. It was incredible. We snorkeled every single day that we were here, and it was endless fun. We just could float on the water. You don't need flotation gear in any way, shape, or form. You can just float on the nice salt water and see the fish, see the different sea life, see the coral. It was incredible. So relaxing. The water was warm and clear and calm. It was just absolutely amazing.
So, all in all, it was an amazing vacation.
It really was. Just amazing. The hotel was fantastic. The snorkeling was amazing. We had great walks down the beach, great meals. So this was an unsponsored video. They're not paying me anything to say this. I would strongly recommend considering the Kimpton Resort and Spa on Roatan Island.